Okay, so I've jumped across on this other slab now. I've been filming on the slab next to me. This is the slab the boys been doing at the same time. It's a little bit more complete, so it's a good way to show you how it's tied back. So obviously every widget's tied back to the mesh. There's a widget in between every stirrup. What's really important here is the join. The boys are probably off the join. They're 100 mils to the centre of each widget, which is awesome. That means the join is really stiffened. Tied back to the mesh, tied back to the mesh, and then I look at the mesh onto this outer bar. It's tied back all the way. The mesh is also tied back to where they can, back to the stirrup. If you had more steel in that top of that stirrup, obviously you're tied back to that as well, but that's looking really good. And then they're repeating that process all the way around, and obviously the last thing we do is then they're going to tie that hockey stick up. The reason why we do that last is if you've done that earlier on in the piece when you're tying your mesh, it just causes a little bit of grief, as in it gives you a little bit more friction, it makes it a little bit harder to straighten. You really want the system to be as carefree as possible, so stick those hockey sticks, tie them to underside of the mesh last.